All right, everyone. Today you are going to complete the 4-2 Algebra Lab. It is on simplifying algebraic expressions. So the directions say, below each problem, if subtraction, rewrite as adding the opposite. Set up the problem before you combine like terms in the box on the left. Step 3, combine your like terms and cross out any zero pairs in the box on the right. Step 4, type your simplified expression at the bottom. So here's a reminder of a zero pair, a positive and a negative tile that cancel each other out. So I have a positive 1 and negative 1. I have a positive x and a negative x. If there are one of each, they cancel each other out. So let's go to slide 2, do the first problem together, and this will help you to solve the rest. We're actually going to do the first two together. So the expression is 2x plus 4 plus 4x plus 1. If you look at this, you might be able to figure out what parts of this expression are alike. Well, what we're going to do first is we're going to set up the problem and we're going to show all terms. So we're going to show 2x. Well, if I look over here, I got my positive 1, a negative 1, a positive x, a negative x, and this is going to be to cross out our zero pairs. So 2x, it's positive 2. So I'm going to put 1, 2, plus 4. So that's just the whole number 4. There are 4 ones there, right? It's not x's, it is just 4. All right, plus 4x. So now I'm going to throw my 4x in here. So I need 4 of my positive x's. Doesn't have to be perfect. You can move it as you would like. All right, plus 1. So my last 1 here. All right, so there we go. My problem is set up. I have 2x plus 4 plus 4x plus 1. Now I'm going to combine like terms. If I look at these tiles, right, I can tell that there's green here and there's green here. So those could be combined. So I'm also going to be sure to put any line through any zero pairs. So what I'm going to do is I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I should have 6 positive x's all together. If I combine them together, put them all with each other, 5, 6. All right, and now I need to combine my ones. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Four, 5. All right, I don't have any zero pairs. There's no positive and negative pairs to cross out. So now I'm going to type my simplified answer here. I'm going to double click. I can delete this and type. Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6x, and it's positive, plus I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So my simplified expression when I combine the like terms is 6x plus 5. I had 2 x's and 4 x's, giving me 6 x's, and I had 4 ones and 1 1, which gives me 5 ones. All right, but let's look. X plus 6 plus 3x minus 3. Uh-oh, this side looks different. It says stop. Rewrite the subtraction as adding the opposite. So I'm going to double click. X plus 6 plus 3x. And that minus 3, it says rewrite it as adding the opposite. So I'm going to change it to adding the opposite of 3 is negative 3. So now I have to set up this problem. I have x, so it's 1x, right? When there's nothing in front of it, it's 1x. I have 6, so I'm going to put my 6 ones. And I have 3x, positive 3. And then I have plus a negative 3. So that means this time I'm going to drag my 3 red tiles. Negative 3. All right. So it says combine like terms. Be sure to put a line through any zero pairs. So if I look over here, right, all my green x's, those could go together. I have 4 of them total. So I'm going to drag 4 together over here. I'm going to keep that picture on the left the same because I want to see what I had before and what I have after. All right. Then I'm going to see, all right, I had 6 yellow and 3 red. They're all ones. Yes, some of them are yellow and some of them are red, but they're all ones. So they are alike. They're just numbers, right? So I'm going to put my 6 yellow. Whoops. I'm going to put my 6 yellow. And then my 3 red. But remember, it said be sure to put a line through any 0 pairs. Guess what? I see a positive and a negative pair. Right here, I see a positive 1 and a negative 1. That's a 0 pair. So I can actually rotate this line to cut through this 0 pair. Where I can rotate it, it cuts through all 3. So all 3 of those 0 pairs are gone. They cancel, cancel, cancel. So now, what do I have left? If I need to, right, I could adjust it to go through each individual pair. If you would like, you could make more. I just copy and pasted. All right, so they're gone. What do I have left? Well, let's double click and type it in. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 green X's. So that is a positive 4X. Plus, I see 1, 2, 3 yellow ones, which means it is a positive 3. So simplified, I have 4X plus 3 because those 3 0 pairs canceled out. All right, so you have 5 questions to do on your own. Slide 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, so work on those. Good luck, and you will be just fine.